For Germany, most qualified professionals from countries outside the EU need a visa to come to Germany. There are different kinds of visa. For example, work visas, student visas, research visas, or visas for people setting up a business. We'll show you how to obtain your visa using the example of the Blue Card. The Blue Card is the residence permit for qualified international professionals with a university degree who wish to work in Germany. With it, you can exercise your profession and soon bring your family to join you. It also provides other advantages, which we'll explain later. You can only apply for a Blue Card if you have a job offer from a company in Germany. You have to earn a certain minimum salary in the job you've been offered to entitle you to a Blue Card. The salary thresholds differ from profession to profession. You'll find information about this on www.makeitingermany.com in the section Visa Blue Card. To obtain a visa, the first thing to do is to apply for one to the German diplomatic mission in your country. There you can find out about the conditions that apply for entering Germany. Bear in mind that it costs time and money to get a visa. Processing times can vary from 2 weeks to several months. The documents required may vary. To apply for a Blue Card, you will usually need your university degree certificate, your passport, and a job contract or job offer in Germany. However, the job must be in line with your qualification. Consult the website of the German embassy in your home country to see how to submit proof of your job. If your documents are in order, you should receive your entry visa. As soon as you arrive in Germany, find somewhere to live and register your new place of residence at the Einwohnermeldeamt, the residence registration office. Having done that, you can apply for a Blue Card to the Ausländerbehörde, the Foreigners Authority. This currently costs €110 and processing can take several weeks. If your documents are in order, you will receive a Blue Card. Congratulations! As soon as you have your Blue Card, you can bring your family to join you. Now you're entitled to stay in Germany for up to 4 years. During that time, you can make preparations for a long-term future in Germany. After just 3 years, you can apply for an indefinite right of residence in Germany. If you speak good German, you might be able to apply even sooner. Good luck! You can find out more about living and working in Germany on www.makeitingermany.com.